Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In this video, I am going to teach about what's the difference between ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. We have to make the comparison. Okay, ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. So here first I am going to log in DeepSeek AI. Click on this link. This goes to the respective site. Select the language as English. Then every can understand. Then click start. Now you are in the uh, tab to ask the question. Here is the box where you are going to ask the questions. So I already log in this tool. The first time we are going to log in, it asks you your Gmail ID. You can log in via your email credential. Okay, that is very simple way to you can log in using your email credential. The same thing, apart from another tool which is a ChatGPT. So here I already log in that tool as well. So I know you having a idea about how to log in ChatGPT as well, because that is nothing. You just go to the respective website, ChatGPT, this is a link, click on that, it asks your Gmail ID. So here now it's asking. So here you can log in as you can log in via your Gmail ID. Then only you will be able to log in. Okay. So I already log in this one. Very simple stuff. So we have this video I'm going to bring the difference, the comparison, these two. Now first I'm go along with the DeepSeek AI. So DeepSeek AI, you can see there are three options. The default it will be click on it. It will check this button. So this is deep thinking. It think deep and it will be produce the answer. So what I'm going to do, see, I'm going to just uncheck it. Here now I'm going to uncheck this button. If you just click, it is uncheck it. Now I'm going to search it. First, you have to tell them before you are writing the prompt. You have to tell them this is the thing I'm going to do. Okay, this is just a AI tool. Okay, this is not a human to understand what you are going to do it. Okay, so you have to tell them act as a world best article writer. Now it is act as according to the article writer. It act as according to the article writer. It change it. That mind going to AI mind going to change it as a article writer mind. Okay, what I'm saying, I think you can understand that. Right. Now what I'm going to do is I just stop it. Now I'm going to write here. I need you to write the article about London Tower Bridge. Press enter key. Now you can see now the AI tool not thinking. After you type the prompt and press enter key, itself it's starting to write it without text, rather than text getting the time, itself is starting writing. So you can see here everything about that London Tower. This is a very the world famous tower in the world. So that is the articles we have to write it. So we have to hear everything it is writing. You can see this here. Okay, so you have to wait until the process complete. This is a normal way. Without thinking and write it. Finally, it gives a calculation also as well, right? Here you can see here. Would you like to any modification or focus on engineering? This everything you can do it. If you tell them it is modified, so you go through this one. Simple. You can tell that I need an article in between thousand in between 1500 words. If you are tell that, it will be according to what you are telling, according to the way it will be changed and it's working. No problem. The same thing, we have a comparison between that ChatGPT. Just copy this prompt and put is the first one. Okay, okay, you don't need to wait this one until completed. You just stop it and put into your prompt. What is the prompt? I need you to this one. Just copy it, paste on checkbox, click on that button here. It is starting. Okay, this is the simple way to have to write it. The article, simple way. There is a comparison. Okay, both two has advantages. So you have to go through these two things, these articles. Okay, you can gain. You just go through this article. Now you have idea which one is a good. You can elect at one of these. Okay, so now you can see this tool as a tools window. Here you will be able to create an image, and if you want to create an image, you have a choice, create an image. Here another tips here. There are five option in order to search the things. So okay, run deep search. You click on this option. Click on this option. The same prompt I'm going to put it over here and click on it. Now you can see it's deeply. Okay, I would like the article about London Bridge. Could you please clarify the few details I am can and perfectly who was a target audience and all things. Okay, once you have information, I can write it top quality article for you. Okay, so here it is asking. So here this is a research one. If you click research mean it is asking about this one. Okay, so who is the target audience? Tourist, the do your SEO keywords and include here it asking the how long you should be article. So here I have put it short blog 100 plus word. I'm going to get it this one. Short blog in between short blog. I need to write in between words. That's it. Okay, so what I did is if you click research, what happened is here the AI tool is mind is change it as a he is a research person. Okay, if you are a research person, what is a research person mean? You are a SEO marketer. You are going to write a blogger. So you have to do the SEO part about the London Bridge. So that here it asking, do you need to SEO keywords? Or if you are okay, so how long should the articles? If you are a article writer, okay, so include the more things, the wording count we need to increase all thing it asking. So I just every can understand, so I can understand the research. I need to write this one in between this works. Now you can see great. Here start research this one. Now if you put this one, it is a very good way it is writing. This is a research project. These are the things available in the DeepSeek AI as well. The same thing it's available. It takes some time to it gets some time to write it. The same thing available in the DeepSeek AI is a deep thinking. It is a here research, that's a deep thinking. Here this is a deep research. Think longer, there are many options available. Now you can see after the research completed, you can see the comparison article and London Bridge. Here, this is the very best way. Here the way it's getting the every points, it is marked as the Wikipedia. These are the best sites of uh, regarding the Tower Bridge. Everything is getting and write these articles. You can see here. It is include the images about the things. This is nice way because the when you are writing the books, English books, this also the very essential. This is writing like a book story writer. This article is writing as a English book story writer. Okay, it's very simple. Here you can see where it's getting from the sources. Source mean these are the website. It's if you click on that, what are the sites it's go through? It's going to study and write it. These are the sites it's go through and study one by one and write it. Okay, so that it takes some time to write it. Here there are plenty of sites it's went through and write the articles. Here it's 44 source it went and write the articles. It's the very best way. very intelligent tool, right? These are the main things. That's the ChatGPT. The same way here also, this one is the same thing. Here you can, I just go to this one, the same from, I point again, you can click on search. You can click search. Here you have to click and here also the same thing. It takes some time to write it here. This also here the same out, but what's the difference between you can go and watch it. Which one is better? That is your choice, right? This every point the good point. If you are searching this one also the when you are if you become a MBA student or PhD student, there should be the research project. That research project you can assume this way. If you are assume this way and you don't the same thing, you are just copy and paste on your Word document and submit. That is wrong. You have to edit something else and you have to change it as a human readability way. That is a good way. So you have to this all the points you are getting. What's the target? Everything you have to going to read it. Read and you have to make the changes. And after make the changes, you have to submit it. Whether you have this is the very best way. You have all the things you are completed here. You have to go and this both tool it help you to write the articles here. Everything should be here. The cost and everything should be there. Thank you so much. Right. So another way in ChatGPT we have a five. This is five option. DeepSeek AI there is a three option. This one search deep thinking here the same deep thinking the same article. Think aloud and write it. It's a deeply tweet write it. Here same article I have to put it over here. Here click on this button. It's a here thinking. Think and write it. There are many one not aware about the things well. So what is the how these tools are working? That's why we have to make the comparison. That is a must. How that tool are working, how the DeepSeek AI working, and ChatGPT working. Okay, so you when you are doing something else, this is the very best AI tool in my mind. Okay, so the rather than compare to other tool, this tool we have to write and go through those articles, and you can get the idea which one better. Otherwise, you both articles you have get it and you can write it. You have to highlight the point and you have to get the best highlight point and put it. Okay, you have to combine both. That's a good strategy. You have to use it and complete the project. Okay, this best way I recommend it. This is the two way I'm assuming that, right? So the simple way you have to write. Okay, it's writing. They think and write everything. Another one here it says another thing is here. This one should be think long. This way, the same thing like this deep thinking. This mode. Think long and write it. Think and write it. Same thing. The same option available. This option available in ChatGPT is like this. It's not going to think lot getting to so much time. Okay, it is writing. Simple way. Okay, the tool has many option. Okay, the tool has consists of many option. You write a code when the programmers can write it here. The search the web. The same thing. The search the web. You can search the same thing. This is same thing. This is we are using for the research purpose. Okay, this is a coding when you are the programmers they click on that pen and write the codes. Okay, the canvas everything's are there. Okay, so that's a comparison between this. Okay, I have explained the comparison. You have to work this both are well. Okay, you have to when you are writing the article, so anything else write both, which one better, and you have to mix them, and you have to submit your uh, project. Okay, that's a way. Okay, both your comparison. These articles could go, these articles could comparison and getting the best point. Here this article has this point of best point, you have to highlight it. This article get this point as a best point, this articles with this point all the point you are not there and mix together and submit the article. After that, you have to change something else and your own article, your human readable way, and you have to submit that. Definitely, you can get the good score in your research project. Thank you for watching.